Welcome to Tomorrow Venture Investing. All right, let's get on with it. I would like to introduce to you John. John is an important businessman. John here currently owns some stock. 100 shares of ABC Corporation.
Woo!
Worth $10 a share. John fears there may be a downtrend in the market. No, he fears really big trouble ahead. One thing John can do, he could sell his position on the open market and get out.
No.
Well then, he could choose to go with a put option. Buying a put option. Are you enjoying this video? Then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give us a like. It's free and it really helps out with the algorithm. And since you're hitting that like button, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to it. It's right there next to it. And hit that notification bell too so you can get more awesome videos just like this one. And now, back to our normal scheduled programming. Today, ABC Corp is selling $10 a share. First, he must choose a predetermined date that's in the future. Next, he must choose a dollar amount, an amount he wouldn't mind receiving if his predictions were to come true. And then pay a small premium fee. Option premiums are calculated by per share. One option contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. So, an option premium selling for 20 cents times 100 shares is $20. An option premium is determined by several different factors. The first factor is how long was the contract written for. The more time a contract has before the expiration date will cost more. A second factor is how close to in the money was the contract written for. This will also have a bearing on price. Due to statistically, if it's in the money, the more chance it'll stay in the money. And options that are in the money will not expire worthless. If the underlying stock fails to reach the strike price, it will then expire worthless. There are other factors that will affect the premium, but that's more for an advanced class. John's buying a put option. He chooses March 4th, 4 months away. Strike price he chose was a $9 strike price. This is a put option. He's betting the price of the stock will go down. And for his little gamble, he is going to pay $1.25 per share. Option contracts represent 100 shares as a whole. So $1.25 times 100 shares is $125 it will cost John. And that would mean John's break-even price is $7.75. Since John is buying a put option, he's betting the stock will go down. Therefore, John's break-even is $7.75. He chose a strike price of $9 and will pay a premium fee of $1.25 per share. So $9 minus $1.25 equals $7.75, which is his break-even price. If the underlying stock drops to $7.75, John will break even. Put options. Buying a put option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to sell 100 shares of the underlying stock at an agreed upon price, known as the strike price, by a certain date known as the expiration date. At any one time, if the stock is at or below the strike price and is on or before the expiration date, the option may be exercised. If the underlying stock is not at or below the strike price by the end of the trading day on the expiration date, the option will expire worthless. Premium paid will be lost and no shares will trade hands. When buying options, you do not need to own the underlying stock. Scenario A. John was correct with this prediction. The stock fell to $3.50 a share.
Woo!
John now can sell his stock to the option seller at the agreed upon strike price of $9. $900 minus the $125 for the option premium gives you $775. And if John wanted to, he could buy the shares back at $3.50 on the open market. Scenario B. The stock did not fall. It shot up to $15 a share. If the stock does not hit $9 or below on the expiration date, the option will expire worthless and he'll lose the $125 he paid. Hey, thanks for watching Tomorrow Venture Investing. If you've not done so, hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you like, leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or not. According to the YouTube algorithm, they suggest you should watch this video next. And I want to take this time out to thank you. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it.